Hey everybody, so Kira here, and today I'm doing a piece based on a Lori Brewer YouTube video I watched and is going to be linked in the description below. I've done a few pieces based off this video, so you see them pop up in the channel over the next couple of weeks. So the basic idea here is that you're going to be working in a line, and I'm working on acid-free laminated cardstock with a white shimmer finish. It was sparkly and I'm weak. A lot of laminator sheets are not acid-free, so be sure to read the description before you buy them. I got my paper at Michael's and the lamination sheets on Amazon. I really wanted to experiment with laminated paper since Yupo is really difficult to find where I am and is honestly pretty expensive. I definitely feel that I need to use a lot more alcohol to move around the inks on a laminated sheet more than on Yupo paper, but so far I'm pretty happy with the results. I'm not sure why that is since they're both plastic. It must just be the type of plastic that Yupo is. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some research. Comment below if you've used laminated paper before and you have any tips and tricks for me. Help me, really, please. So here we're going to speed things up, and I hope you enjoy watching the process. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below and subscribe to see more videos. See you later!